Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss about the Oracle database, why people choose Oracle database and what's the benefit of using Oracle database. So first of all we have to understand the Oracle database, what exactly it is. Oracle database is a relational database, RDBMS database is a robust and widely used relational database developed by Oracle Corporation in 1971. It is one of the oldest database, I can say, which is still very popular in the market, and people are still trusting this database, and there are so many clients and organization are still using on a very large scale for Oracle database. So there are some other regions that we have to focus to understand the benefit of using this Oracle database. So first of all, in current market there are so many databases are there in the market. Some are relational database, some are non-relational database, open source non-relational database. So there is a very cutthroat competition there in the market for database field actually. So here any customer or any client will choose a database on a very smarter note, like they will first of all analyze their need, and on the basis of their need and the pricing, there are multiple parameter will be cross checked behind choosing any database actually. Like in the current market, if you see in the relational database side, Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Postgres, relational databases are there. Similarly, non-relational database like NoSQL database, you can see MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, and many more others. Those are not much popular, but these are the one which are more popular in the market, and they have larger customer base, I can say. So but still, if we see the overall client count, in that still Oracle and MySQL leads the market. So there is definitely a certain reason why people still choose a relational database, especially in the Oracle side. So there are some reason that we will be discussing, like the first is pricing. So pricing is the one of the key factor that plays a very important role of choosing any database as per their need, as per their capacity. Mostly the smaller client, the small scale industry, small uh, organization, and especially those who are not worrying much about their database security and execution speed and performance, they then they look for pricing actually. But those who are like more concerned about the security and performance and OLTP transactions, all online transactions should happen very fastly. For those cases, they go with the database performance, database security, database governance, database availability, and scalability. So yes, as per the industry and their needs and their data demand, they actually choose any database. So I can say like a smaller industries, those who are new, and also like their data is not much relevant after certain time, so they go with the open source databases, no SQL databases with less price, cost effective databases. And also like if they need data with like Redis, Cassandra, MongoDB, these are open source, open source NoSQL databases and documented databases, key pair databases. So here the price will be lesser. But yes, in the Oracle side it is little costly, but still finance organization like banking organization, bigger financial sector domains organization, they still go with Oracle and MySQL kind of databases where the security matters lot and the database performance matters lot. Even at the time the cloud was uh, acquiring the market, people were saying like very soon the on-premise environment will get isolated from the industry, there will be no much on-premise environment. But yes, after some time we realize like nothing is going to happen in that way. Cloud is also growing on a certain level, and on-premise is still going to be there in the market for longer. And because there are some organizations, some banks, those who don't want to move their database on cloud, because after moving their data to a different organization there will be some security issues, and they don't want to provide their data to any other organization, because there is a very high security is involved into that. So these are the main reason I can say on that basis people choose any database. So yeah, the scalability is also one of the important thing in that Oracle RDBMS can handle a massive amount of data and accumulate the growth of your organization, ensuring your database can scale as your business expands. So scalability is equally important, and high performance Oracle RDBMS is designed to deliver optimal performance, enabling a fast query processing and data retrieval, enhancing overall system efficiency. So performance is also matters a lot as we discussed, and data security is also very important feature. Whatever the databases which are there in the market and have a very good data security features, so for that feature there are few organization, there are some clients, they always look for security first, so they will always go with those databases where the security is a very advanced level feature. So Oracle RDBMS incorporates advanced security features to protect your sensitive data, including encryption, access control, and audit capabilities, ensuring a data confidentiality and integrity. So this is something very important. And reliability and availability, Oracle RDBMS is known for its high availability and fault tolerance architecture, and minimize the downtime and ensure the contiguous access of critical data in advanced analysis. Yeah, obviously Oracle provides a multiple reporting feature. From there you can debug your any performance issue or any kind of database issue, you can analyze that report and allow organization to gain the value insight from their the data and making information business decisions. So Oracle RDBMS supports seamless integration for various application and system, and also like you can see most of the Java applications runs on Oracle, so that's also provides a very important feature, because Java is also acquired by the Oracle Corporation, so there is a very good coordination happened between Oracle and Java related programs, and yeah, Java related programs. So that's how I can say these are the benefit that every client before choosing any database they look for, and on that basis they took a decision. So always keep in mind this important points. On that basis these databases are going to be chosen in the market. So thanks for watching till here. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.